worth 212 million Omani riyals. OQ Gas Networks company under transformation intends to offer 49% of its shares for initial public offering and listing for trading on the Muscat Stock Exchange during next October. The company expects that the subscription for investors of the first and second categories will begin in September after obtaining the required approvals from the Capital Market Authority.
It's an attractive investment for several reasons. This company is the only, we have a natural monopoly in gas transportation in the country up to 2070. So we have a very long concession. We, as I said maybe previously, we maintain a critical link between gas producers and gas consumers. So we are the link in between the two. And for that, we also benefit from supply and demand, which has been assessed to be stable for the coming decades. And of course, that benefits the growth plan of the company.
OQ Gas Networks adopts a semi-annual dividend distribution policy so that the first profits worth 33 million Omani riyals for the first 9 months of this year will be distributed in January next year, and the distribution of the second profits worth 11 million Omani riyals for the last 3 months of this year in April next year.
OQ Gas IPO, which we're expecting to be launched in next month. I think it's one of the biggest IPO will be in Muscat Stock Exchange, and that going to add a lot to Muscat Stock Exchange, as we've seen today, and we understood from the press release that the dividend ratio of that issue will be very high. The company going to pay 90% minimum of that dividend to the shareholder, and that itself is helpful to the shareholder to participate in the IPO.
The offering of shares is one of the effective investment tools in the Omani market after the adoption of the securities law, which regulated the securities market in order to achieve effective protection for the dealing parties and was characterized by sufficient flexibility to attract owners of investment initiatives from issuers and owners of local and foreign capital and employ them in various investment sectors.